Meet the modern American family. Mom, Dad, little Timmy and Jane. And what do we have here? Pasta?
Oh no!
A dusty vacuum isn't suitable for hard floor cleaning. Meet the Moprobo-Go. Designed for the home of the future, combines super powerful suction with immediate mopping.
So when you make a mess on your hardwood or tile floor, everything gets cleaned in one go.
Might as well skip the washing up.
But how do we clean it?
Easy. The Go is hands-free, maintenance-free, and carefree. Looking good there, little Timmy. What are we going to do about all this hair?
Geez, sir, I don't know.
Hair tying your vacuum in a knot is a thing of the past with the Tangle-free magic wand.
Covers every area of your home with 180-degree rotation handle. There is nothing better than a nice family dinner in the evening.
Okay, guys, time to clean up.